Huh, Hank?
He's only 7 months old.
7 months?
Yeah.
He's that big?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah.
How big will he get it when he's growing?
His dad was 120.
Wow. Hey, puppy.
He's just a big baby.
That is a big baby. Huh? All right, to where are we going, Eric?
Go downtown, downtown Athens.
All right.
This is University of Georgia stadium, football stadium.
Nice. And they are remodeling it, huh?
Yeah, I don't think you can get in.
Can't even get in. Can't squeeze through that gate, can we? Good job.
Oh, yeah, I'm making it through.
Yeah, if you can't make it through, I can't get through. That good. Better way better.
Gate right there.
I'm getting a picture of that. Alright guys, we couldn't get in.
1,000 hamburgers.
Jeez.
Yeah, cook all those hamburgers. It's $5 a piece.
Alright.
We just trimmed those boxwoods earlier today. Or not today, last Sunday.
Okay.
Those boxwoods are lined up.
Oh, that's nice. I like how green it is.
Yeah.
Nice trim work.
You gotta come back and
Was that with DeWalt?
That was with the DeWalt. Yep, these were cut with the DeWalt cordless. And then we gotta come back and get these other boxwoods.
Nice.
They got a lot of leaves falling in the
Okay.
and they're still falling some here when the we gotta still get a few more up.
How often do you come do this?
This is every 2 weeks.
Every
this
2
one.
weeks? Okay. So Eric's giving me a tour, guys, of one of the property he takes care of.
Oh,
What's this grass?
this is zoysia.
So what's the other one that you keep talking about?
Bermuda we got a lot, zoysia, and we have some fescue.
Are these better to cut?
Yeah, this is really easy to cut, and this yard is sprayed, so although the bottom's got some weeds coming up in it,
right?
But it's sprayed, so it stays nice and good.
Look at this. Is that real? What is this, pine? Look at this, guys. Man, that is neat.
Yep. Now, all we do here, we do weed control. Like I do a little bit of spraying in these rocks here. They like to keep this out, so I got to spray these. You see them popping up.
Yep.
And then we cut, edge, blow, and get the leaves up. But they have another fella that comes and does all the bed work.
Okay. Clean out the bed.
Cleans up bed work.
Huh. You guys just don't offer that, or you?
We
just
do, but when we started, they already had somebody, that did it, and they know we've let them know that we do it in case anything happens. But we don't want to step on the guy's
right,
feet, so.
Right. Nice.
This is older house. This house is probably 130 years old.
Boy, this is nice property. That is a big magnolia, man. Hydrangea? That's a different kind of hydrangea. Is that hydrangea?
This was free of leaves 5 days ago. It's magnolia.
Does it just keep dropping?
Keeps dropping.
Through the season?
Yep. And a lot of it has to do with the heat and the rain and
Look at this guy. This is a big tree. Wow.
But I cut all this for 48. The CRZ.
The 48, okay.
Yeah, CRZ. There's a big gate right there that.
Oh, you go in there? Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And then we cut the.
Is there anything on the bottom you cut grass on?
Yeah, it's an area there, and it looks like it's kind of a mess already. But.
So how do you clean this stuff up? You guys
We blow it
blow
all.
it up?
Yep. Cut all here, and then we.
Oh, nice.
We trim, like last time we were here, we took the DeWalt trimmers.
Oh,
just trimmed along the ivy, just keep it tight.
Right.
The guy that does their bushes must have come, does his beds. They did a lot of trimming, looks like, right here.
Nice. Look at that. Alright. So that was a tour of one of Eric's property. We'll get a nice shot of it.
That's a cool. Nice place there. The stripes.
That's a different type of grass.
Yep.
All of these grass, nope, that's different. May 19th, and we're getting ready for the photo shoot, and we are at Eric's house, getting ready to head over to Watkins Power Shop.